Welcome to the heart of Alberta's STEM education, STEM Innovation Academy. At STEM Innovation Academy, we aim to inspire the next generation to be knowledgeable creators, innovators, and responsible leaders.
What if high school could be different? What if your school looked more like a state-of-the-art tech company than a traditional school?
Our brand new campus is situated in the heart of the University Innovation Quarter, steps from the University of Calgary. We have uniquely designed learning spaces complete with cutting-edge equipment, often found in universities and industry.
What if every teacher nurtured your curiosity? What if every teacher knows who you are as a person?
Smaller class sizes and personalized tutorial time means your teachers really know you. Our teachers are highly trained, master teachers who inspire students to excellence in all subject areas. Beyond STEM learning, there is a vast array of clubs, teams, and outreach opportunities for students to explore.
What if you were able to choose courses that are not available at any other high school? What if these courses were something that you actually wanted to take?
Not only do we have rigor and excellence in our academic programming, our specialty option courses are developed with industry and post-secondary institutions to create hands-on solutions to real-world problems.
What if you were excited to come to school every day? What if you found like-minded people? What if you could be part of a school community where you could truly be you? Don't ask what if, ask where you can at STEM Innovation Academy High School.
Find your people, find your passion at Alberta's premier centre for STEM education at STEM Innovation Academy High School.